talk to Scott this week?
Hold on, let me roll down my windows.
You're not done with mine yet.
Here, hey, Ken, don't spray nothing. I'll pull my truck up. I'll pull my truck up, okay? Come on. Drunk driving is what I like to do. This could be the death of me.
Get up, stand up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. Oh no. Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. Most people think great God will come from the sky, take away everything and make everybody feel high. But if you know what life is worth, you yours and that, and now you see the light. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, and don't give up the fight. Hold on. Get up, stand up.
I gotta get out of here. No, no, don't spray. Stop spraying. Stop spraying. Hey, Ken. How'd that feel to spray the truck like that?
Good.
That feel good? Wash it.
Don't close the back of your bed.
He can't reach back there. I bet he can't. Bet he can't. Hey, stop it.
Stop it. You might get my clean sandals.
So you painted in them, huh?
I'm painting these a lot of times. They got a good color to it.
Not the mud,
Here.
Dee.
I'm gonna turn the water off in
Clean that filthy thing.
Soap and sponge. Let them scrub it.
a minute. He wouldn't. Work.
Get the innards. There you go.
What?
Get the innards.
Kids love washing cars though on a hot day. Like when you just let them crawl all over it, get on top of it, wash it,
Go at it.
He wouldn't.
fall down the windshield.
There you go. Clean my my in between my car.
What'd you say? Get a couple kids doing it. I pulled up my Chiva over there in the summertime. I pulled it up in the field and just let the kids go at it.
That car was hot, girlfriend.
Yep, that's why I let it. They were like falling into it, sliding off the trunk.
Okay, go ahead.
Windows up.
Yep.
He's an observant one.
Down in the air.
That's right. Clean that filthy thing. Nope. Don't you dare. Ken, don't. Ken, don't.
I'm just gonna spray
Don't. No, don't. Ken, hey. Stop it. What'd I say?
Roll the window.
No, hey, not that car. The windows aren't up. Mom's car.
Do the other side of mine. Go ahead.
Ken, not that car. Clean that filthy car. Rain, I.
What's funny is Jason's like, don't get anything in the back. Does he have a cover for it if it rains?
Yeah, don't squirt. You can't watch.
That's
Make sure you
why
don't.
I'm always like, don't get that back truck wet.
Yeah, but what if it rains?
But what if it's gonna rain tonight? Better.
No, he doesn't have a car.
Hey, Jason, quick question. You don't want Ken to get your back truck wet.
Oh, here
You've
we
got
go.
tools, but what happens when it rains?
I haven't brought him in yet.
Oh, you bring him in?
Yeah, I don't leave him there. I don't leave him there. Not my.
Oh, do you trust your mom's bratwurst?
Yeah, I eat my mom's bratwurst, not yours.
I don't blame you, Luke. If she can't make spaghetti, I don't know about the bratwurst.
Yeah, she don't know how
I
to
did,
make
it was
spaghetti.
good.
She can't make a grilled cheese for crying out loud.
Not for you. You got ham.
She has a hard enough time with the Pop Tart.
That's kind of funny.
You're mean.
Oh, she likes it.
That's why I don't have to cook.
That's right.
When?
Kian's taking a big piss,
I
man.
know how to cook spaghetti. I've cooked good spaghetti. It just really ended up bad that day.
Not really.
Yeah, he's just playing.
I'm not very good at it.
You were fine. You did fine.
My noodles, the noodles always came out real sticky and.
Limp.
Did you rinse them?
Mm-hmm.
You rinse them. You rinse them.
That's
well
right.
with hot water.
We rinse our noodles around here. Chad didn't rinse his noodles.
You don't rinse macaroni and cheese.
No, and I just splash a little bit. I don't rinse them.
Get Mac.
And he has a problem with that. What? You're not rinsing
Be
it?
I
careful.
gotta rinse the
Ian, don't
noodles.
spray yourself all wet.
Well, if you put the sauce on right away, you don't.
Gotta rinse the noodles.
Get your bathing suit on. Go get it on.
Get your jiggy suit on. Get your jiggy suit. Jiggy suit. You're bathing?
I think it's still in the bathroom.
Where's your bathing suit? Nana?
It's still in the bathroom.
Just a little bit of hot to hot.
Change her to Nana?
Look in your room.
They were in the bathroom.
What you looking for? What are you looking for?
His bathing suit.
Let him. Here, let me unfold it for you.
Put in your bathing suit.
Ba,
Go in the house and
ba,
put it
ba,
Go in the
ba, ba, ba. For some reason.
Speed bump.
Can't stand them.
Speed bump split.
I can't stand going to Tiffany's house. 'cause it's bad.
I'm surprised that there's never been anyone gotten into a bad car accident down by
Right.
French's.
Right around the turn?
Yeah, that's bad.
Because they whip around here and they think they're really bad, and since they've got a straightaway, they
Get up, more speed.
haul butt down here.
Tear it up, Junior.
Woo!
No. Oh.
Whoa.
Well, not up here, Kian.
What?
Not up here. Don't spray that Luke because he's got the can. Hey.
2,
Put it right up there.
3.
Hard.
Go. Oh, yeah. You the man. Do it again. You can do it.
You talk to Scott. That'll run.
Squeak, squeak.
Got those free passes. Oh, that's right.
Squeak,
What do
squeak.
I use them by? I think they're good all summer.
What happened to that?
Well, I think I saw you turn off the hose. That might be what happened.
No, Kian.
A lot of charging your gun. Doing. Come to Butthead. You got a little water control there, don't you?
Wait, put them in the
I'm gonna go wash my wagon.
Did you break my nozzle?
Can you wash the wagon?
Hey, can we wash my wagon?
What are you doing?
Fixing this one. Sprays harder. Bring it right up here, buddy.
I'll do it. Can I do it?
Dance, buddy. Come on, buddy, dance.
Dance, boy.
Dad, I wanna wash it. Dad, I wanna wash my wagon.
Let me wash my wagon. Come to Butthead.
Dad,
That's right, he went in the backyard. There he is.
Dad, I need. Dad.
You talked to Scott this week.
Oh my god.
Mom did talk to Scott.
Oh, I did.
I'm not gonna bother asking what about. No.
Yeah, now they don't even remember talking to him.
Keep it
I
off.
got you now.
Oh, I can't get wet.
Okay.
Yeah, wait.
Keep it off.
You got a lot of power there, don't you?
Can I sit back down with everything left? How's the vacuum cleaner work now?
Can Nanny better not
Huh?
get wet?
Fine. Tiffany's mom took it. Tiffany got hers back. I thought Tiffany's one. Tiffany's mom needed one. They were sharing one. So anyway, since you being used.
Come to Butthead.
And now I took mine in.
What?
Vacuum works. I had him drop it off yesterday.
All clean?
Kidding. Well, tell Tiffany's mom that you want it.
Well, I'm sure, like, I mean, it's gotta be fixable. It probably just needs to be cleaned.
Hey.
Is it a bagless or one with
Bagless.
Get ready to yell, Jason.
Alright.
They're not going that fast.
Oh, you're doing good. Give them the big thumbs up.
Well, because we thought they were young and they're old. That's how my dad looked when he had his stupid little.
Slow down, you dirty son of a.
Is that the black one, Tracy?
Yeah, and he had round effects, black windows. Yeah, 40-year-old crisis or something. But
That must be the same one Jill's going through.
he got rid of it when he realized going to work was just way too much.
Probably expensive, wasn't it?
Ah.
Live
Hey,
and
wash
learn.
that tree, Ken.
Yeah, but he got rid of that. You know, doesn't look funny no more.
Clean the bugs out of that
I
front
get my good
thingy.
pants dirty. I
Front thingy?
Yeah.
did a couple.
Oh yeah.
Well,
Water
it
the
has
tree.
dirt on the back of them.
My pants?
Kian, may the
Doing
force be with
reach
you. Oh, look at that other one. Oh.
My name.
I think we have.
Na-na-na-na, Batman. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na, Batman. Oh, from the Batmobile bike. Even they're traveling too fast.
I either grab it inside, calls the scene inside the church.
Batman! Batman!
I got it.
Batman.
Dad, I'm sorry that I hit Mac because Mac just ran right in front of me.
That's alright.
I tried to stop but I accidentally hit him.
That's right, Mac. Mac ran into you, buddy.
Yeah. Mac ran into you.
Right? You slow dog, you. Fire it up, Dad!
Pretty big mower for a lawn.
Fire it up. That's Exmark 2000 equipped with Grateful Dead sticker.
Did you have anybody teach you how to use that yourself? What? Have you had anybody teach you how to use that yet?
Ride it?
Hiya! What a cut up.
Stop it.
What?
Bye, birdie. What are you doing?
I'm just gonna erase it.
No, you're not.
Yeah, yeah.
No, you're not.
Would you grow up and act your age? That's your shoe size.
Yeah.
He loves his feet. I love it so bad. They're over there.
It's hard as. Turd.
You're just weird. You're just like feeling yourself up.
Hey, who doesn't?
You alright, buddy?
How come you got Chinese writing on your steering wheel?
It means something.
Oh, it means something you don't know what it means, though?
Like, faith and...
Why don't you get it written in English?
I like it. Chinese.
Lee just got a tattoo with the Chinese symbol on
Are you okay?
it. Oh, he's hurt.
Get the camera off it, Lucas.
Well, it's father and son moment. Oh, and he took a hard fall there. Let's look at the instant replay here. He's coming around the corner. Oh, and he hit the dust. He's got a medical assistant out there right now. I don't know, he seems to be getting up. He looks a little shaken, but he's up. Clap, 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 clap. Batmobile lost his wheel.
You are fired up today.
That's right.
Always is lately.
I think it got him in the nads.
Oh man, remember falling on a blanket?
I think he broke his bowls.
I'd be standing up, my foot sleep.
That's right, buddy, adjust.
Oh, God, I could not. That was the worst. Might be
Hey, Kian, can we get an exclusive interview? Come here, Kian.
Tell them how the accident happened.
Kian, hey. Hey, Kian, you all right after that heroic fall? You okay? Hey, let me know what happened. Just tell me what happened. Scene for scene. You're driving too fast on what, your bike? Your handlebar slipped? That sounds really dangerous. You okay? Show me what you hurt. What you hurt? You hurt your belly? Oh, I hurt my belly before. There it is. Dun, dun, dun.
Come here. Sit down with me.
Dun, 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 dun.
Back.
Olsen twins are
Mac.
lesbians. What, buddy?
Matt,
You need to toss a couple discs.
come here.
Can we throw
Now.
some discs?
What?
Come
I'll
here.
throw some discs.
You can go throw some discs. I gotta run inside real
Come
quick.
here.
What?
I'll throw some discs. I'll be out in 1 minute, okay? Go throw them.
Aww.
Boy, yeah.
Skim me.
Good, you get for being
Oh, hot.
Yeah. Hey, Here you go.
He's still shaking up from that fall?
Set.
Can we
Hey.
still play disc golf?
Did you see your short life flash before you, buddy?
Boy.
Okay, let's go take some shots.
Back.
Come on. Please, Uncle Luke.
What?
Here, now.
Oh, you want to take the camera? Throw it.
Pick up your discs and throw them at the basket and I'll videotape you.
Okay. We're going to start there. Out there.
His name is one shaky, okay, the diggy, doo, doo, boo, 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 boo. Hey, get a little closer. Hey, get over here. No. All right, pick him up. You got to shoot closer. You can't shoot that far. No, hey, pick him up. All right, Ken. Go get it. Oh. Kian, aka Obi-Wan Kenobi. Don't let a girl beat you, Kian. Kian, you're kicking her butt. Get her. Oh, it's a close one. Who's gonna die first?
I killed her. I killed her. I got her.
About that match, was she a tough contender?
No,
No?
she's skinny looking.
All right, you want to fight another dude?
What a weird name.
What a
Look
weirdo.
how old he is.
Who's that one dude?
Yeah, that dude.
It's Obi-Wan.
Obi-Wan's not even getting killed.
Because you're fighting him with honor.
You did well in fighting the Jinha, Obi-Wan, but their weapons and tactics may soon overwhelm you. Master Saisi.
What is the guy that turns into Darth Vader?
He's not on this game.
Greetings, Padawan. Master. You were scared when the Jinha attacked.
This guy's a little hard, buddy. This guy's probably gonna kick your butt. Oh, Kean is. He got you.